Ahern is a licensed fire protection system installer across the United States. Our team of experts is here to support each step of your project, from design to installation, with efficient solutions. Our state-of-the-art shops make even the most challenging project deadlines manageable, with a combined square footage of 418,000 square feet, with over 36 acres of laydown yard across our Appleton and Fond du Lac facilities. Ahern is able to turn around even the most demanding jobs quickly and accurately. Our facility offers a wide variety of fabrication services for fire protection system installations. We've invested in the right people and the right equipment to get the job done quickly while ensuring the highest quality is maintained. Using our own dedicated delivery trucks, we are able to manage the shipping and delivery process to maximize efficiency while maintaining a high standard of quality. By tightly managing the process from raw pipe fabrication to delivery, Ahern is able to provide fast turnaround times and accurate, high-quality service. At Ahern, we are dedicated to providing on-time, budget-compliant services with unequaled quality.